In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a search icon in Figma. We'll start right from your Figma dashboard, then pull an icon from the resources window, place and resize it on the canvas, and finally tweak the outline color so it matches your design system. First, sign into your Figma account and open the project or file where you want the search icon to live. Inside the editor, open the resources window by pressing Shift+I on your keyboard. You'll see a search bar at the top. Type the word search and wait a moment for the results to load. Browse through the options and pick a search icon that fits your style, whether that's an outlined magnifying glass or a filled one. Click the icon you want, then choose Insert in the bottom right corner of the window. The icon will drop onto your canvas, ready to use. With the icon selected, you can move it by dragging or use the arrow keys for precise nudges. To resize, drag a corner handle. Holding Shift maintains the proportion as you scale, which helps keep the icon crisp. If your design relies on specific sizes, like 16, 20, or 24 pixels, type those values directly into the width and height fields in the right sidebar. Keep an eye on the Layers panel so you can quickly select the icon later. Renaming it to something like Search Icon can be handy for organization. Now let's adjust the color. Keep the icon selected and look to the right-hand properties panel. Find the Selection Colors section and click the color swatch there. If you're seeing the Libraries tab, switch to the Custom tab to open the color picker. Choose a new color for the icon's outline or enter a hex value if you need an exact brand color. If the icon has both fill and stroke, make sure you're editing the property you intend. Stroke for outlines, fill for solid shapes, so the result matches your design. And that's it. You've added a search icon from Figma's resources, positioned and resized it with precision, and customized the color to fit your UI. Save your changes, and you're ready to reuse that icon anywhere in your project.